In the previous lesson, we used console log to log a message when our web module loaded. Now we will replace console log with a more end-user friendly GUI element. For this, we will use an element called banner. So how can we create banner? The SDK provides a set of public services that allow you, for example, to retrieve data and trigger various actions. So I have currently SDK documentation open. Let's search for ARIA service. Here you can find basic information about the service, like what it supports, for example, banners we want to use. In the attached screenshot, you can already see that it supports 4 different types of banners. Moving on, we have how to use this service and available methods. What we want to use in our case is show banner method. Let's switch to VS Code. Let's replace this simple console log with showing banner. First of all, I will remove this console log statement. Then what we need to do is to import our service as indicated by documentation. So let's switch back to documentation for a second. And I will copy this import statement. Just to paste it in our main test file. Next, we need to acquire service reference. This is done using getService method. So let's define some constant and call it ARIA service. This will hold our service reference. Next, let's call getService method. And getService requires only one argument, which is service type. In our case, ARIA service. Okay, all is left to do now is to call showBanner method. ShowBanner requires following argument: banner type, in our case this will be info, text, and optional title. Okay, let's hit Ctrl S to save changes. After saving, let's take a look at the terminal, just to make sure that ngv run is running and that rebuilding of our web module was successful. And in our case, it was. So let's test our changes by going to the application and hitting Ctrl-Shift-R. This will cause the application to reload, including our web module. And as a result, we should be able to see our banner. And in this case, we are. So everything is working fine. In case of any trouble, like for example, not seeing this banner, please make sure that you have your web module URL added to the Red App development panel and that your web module is loaded successfully.